This right here is the Tecno Spark 20. This was released in December of 2023 and it arrived in South Africa in May of 2024. And as you know, I attended the launch event. Previously, we've looked at the Tecno Spark 20C, which is a budget version. So let's take a look at the base version of the Spark 20 series. So when it comes down to it, this device has a 6.6-inch display. It is an IPS LCD display with a 90 Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels. So in terms of the design and the build, the dimensions of the phone is 163 by 75 by 6 millimeters. It has a glass front, a plastic back and a plastic frame. It is IP53 dust and splash resistant. In terms of an operating system, this is running Android 13 High OS 13. Under the hood, this is powered by a MediaTek MT6769Z Helios G5 812nm processor. It's an octa-core processor with two 2 GHz cores on the Cortex A75 and 6 1.8 GHz A55 Cortex cores. In terms of memory, this has a hot swap memory of 8 gigs and you can top it up like how we see with all the other Tecno devices where you can basically use the storage as RAM. In terms of the storage, it is available in a 128 and 256 gig variant, and this device is a 256 gig variant. It has the ability of expanding the storage through an SD card. In terms of network, this is a 4G device. It is dual nano SIM capable, so it doesn't have any support for eSIMs. In terms of connectivity, at the bottom we have a USB Type-C port, and this is running Wi-Fi on the 2.4 and 5 GHz and has Bluetooth in the 5.3. It has Bluetooth 5.3 built in. When it comes to the battery, this device comes with a 5000 milliamp hour battery and comes supplied with an 18 watt charger. When it comes to the cameras of this device, the main camera setup has a 50 megapixel wide with an f1.6 lens that can record video at 1440p at 30 frames per second and 1080 at 30 frames per second. When it comes to the selfie camera is a 32 megapixel f2.2 wide lens, and that can record video at 1080p at 30 frames per second. This device has support for an FM radio and has the ability of NFC support. So meaning you could use this with Google Play or Google Wallet to use your phone to tap and pay. The device also has a sign-mounted fingerprint reader for easy unlocking of the device. What's included with, just like all the Tecno phones, you get, when you purchase the Tecno Spark 20, you get your device, you get included a clear case for the phone, you get a already installed screen protector, you get a 18 watt charging block, USB to Type-C charging cable, as well as a supplied set of headphones. Previously, we looked at the Tecno Spark 20C, and that was a more budget version device for the Spark 20 series. Now, the Spark 20 itself, this is your base level model, and it is a little more expensive compared to the Spark 20C. When it comes down to who is this device for? So this device is for a user that is not necessarily budget conscious and wants a little more bang for your buck, hence why you see there's more storage available in the Spark 20 compared to like the Spark 20C. But in terms of the features and capabilities, you still get your side-mounted fingerprint reader, you still get support for NFC and all of those things. So the Spark 20 is available in Gravity Black, Cyber White, Neon Gold and Magic Skin 2.0, which is a blue color. The device retails for 6,400 Rand. If you want to pick up one of your own, there's a link in the description below for you to head over to one of the retailers, and you can pick it up from most of your major retailers: Pep, Edgar's, Macro, Dion Wired. I don't think Dion Wired is available anymore. Hi-Fi Corporation. So yeah, that was a quick look at the Tecno Spark 20. So this device, and I mean all the devices in the Spark 20 range, are an amazing set of devices. You have your base, which is this. You have your budget version, which is the Spark 20C. You have the Spark 20 Pro 5G, which is the top of the range device that gives you 2 times the bang for your buck. So looking at each of these devices, they all have a place of their own. If I had to rate this device, just like every other device that we've come across from Tecno, this device would garner a 7.8 out of 10. Nothing wrong with the device, it's just... So yeah guys, thank you very much for checking out this video. If you would like to see any other reviews from Tecno, leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by giving a like rating if you did. And yeah guys, thank you very much for watching. As always, this video and the thoughts and remarks expressed in this video are of me and of techsceneza and have not been influenced in any way, shape or form. But guys, thank you very much for watching. My name is Preshaan and I will catch you in the next video.